In order to begin tracking your macros, you will need your food scale, the food you are about to eat, and your tracking app of choice. In my case, I'm using MyFitnessPal, the free version. To weigh your food, you simply need to place your bowl or plate onto your food scale. We need to find the right unit. In this case, we want grams. We need to zero it out. Then we can just add our food until we achieve the desired amount. So we know this is 41 grams of oats. To weigh things out of a jar, you'll put your jar on the scale, zero it out, and then simply remove the contents. We now know we have taken 12 grams out. That's what we have on the spoon. Let's say this is what I was going to have for breakfast today. Maybe add a scoop of protein powder and a banana too. Now it is time to log these foods. The first thing we need to do is set up your app. Two key points for you to take note of. Number one, do not use the targets MyFitnessPal sets for you. Use the targets we have set you instead. Secondly, make sure you turn off exercise calories. MyFitnessPal will try and add back the calories you burn through exercise, but when creating your targets, your coaches have already factored in your exercise into the equation. So if you end up eating back your exercise calories, you're essentially having two pieces of the pie and are unlikely to see the results you want. Now, to log your food, we do want to try and get the exact brand of oats because there are thousands of brands of oats on the planet. So we could scan the barcode if we have the premium version of MyFitnessPal, or we can simply search up the brand itself on the app. So these are Woolworths Australian Quick Oats, and I do want to just check that the macros in the entry match up the nutritional information on the back of the packet here. Peanut butter, protein powder, let's do exactly the same thing. Try and find the exact brand. Now, when it comes to the banana, yes, technically speaking, you would be most accurate by weighing your banana. But for me personally, I am completely fine with all of my clients simply logging a banana as one banana. Remember to track accountably, not conveniently. So I would be tracking this as one large banana. There we have it, a perfectly tracked bowl of delicious protein oats. If this was a meal I was going to consume regularly, for me it is, I'm going to make sure I save the meal in MyFitnessPal so that I don't have to log every ingredient manually every single time. Congratulations on graduating. You are now a beginner macro tracker. Be sure to watch the rest of the videos in this series, which is macro tracking to an expert level. And then I'll pass you over to Nick to go through the most common macro tracking mistakes you don't want to be making.